Alright, what's up guys? In today's video, I am going to be showing you guys how to use the new Riot Shield. And I got 3 loadouts that are pretty good, and I spent a lot of time grinding like finding out the best loadouts. And this is what I found, alright? So we're going to go into a match, and yeah, I'll show you guys in the match. So the first loadout is crossbow, shorty, Riot Shield, and freeze ray. Well, this is what's good about it, alright? So basically, they can't shoot you. And this guy's mobile, so he's attracted to me, basically. Yo, I'm a freeze him right when he's reloading. No! There's no way! Yo, watch this. He's gonna snipe. Let him snipe. Bang, bang! Oh, that did not work as well. Oh, we can, of course, use this. Oh, and you hit them, but oh, 20 win streak. All right, we're ended that with this loadout right here. Let's see how he does. So we can literally just go out, and unless these fire explosives, they literally cannot touch us. They're dead. Bro, why is he? What? Dude, I am crashing out, bro. How? I had my Riot Shield out. My guy just full on headshot sniped me. Holy, bro. I did not know the Riot Shield does not block that. Hello, dude. 100, buddy. What? Yo. Dude, how is my man hitting me, dude? I don't get it, dude. I actually don't get it. But we're gonna end this with streak, boys. Don't worry. Alright, so he's gonna put in another one, is he? Yep, there it is. There it is. There it is. Yo. Dude, I'm gonna end this guy's 20 win streak, bro. Let's see how he feels about that. Yo, he is Yo, let me step on that. Oh! I'm 1 HP. I didn't know it still works after death. Alright. I guess it does. Let's pull out. And also, if you guys press V, you could like do this cool animation where you could see it like this, but then it switches back. And then you can't see anything from it. Yo, what's up, bro? How's your day, dude? How you doing, man? Thank you for asking, buddy. And yeah, you go to heaven. I don't even know why the crossbow's in here. It's just a random weapon, I guess, if you don't finish them off with the shorty. They just finished them off with that. So he's using the same combo as me. That's not good. But it won't work. I'm using Riot Shield now. Yeah, well, guess you lose. No. Whoa, whoa, whoa. This is not going great. This is not going great. No! No, bro! I'm selling, dude. I'm selling. Hold on. Let me lock it. Alright, let me lock it, bro. Dude, if you think you could beat me, buddy, you are out of your mind, alright? Alright, guys, and I did get the win because I dealt more damage than him in this round. So, yeah, we're gonna be now, trying to win this one because, yeah, this is not going great for us. If we just freeze right him, he's finished. There's no survival of him. He's never gonna see life again. But we just gotta make sure we also don't get headshot sniped accidentally. But he's just gonna keep psyching up. There's no way I'm gonna kill him, bro. And he's just gonna wait for him to like unequip my Riot Shield. Yes! Yeah! Let's go! Yeah! 20 win streak! And for what, buddy? Alright, I'ma say GG's. Oh, instant left. Alright, I'm gonna go into the next match and I'm gonna show you guys the next loadout. Alright guys, the second loadout is this, and yeah, we're just gonna be... What did you do? Oh wait, I forgot. It's not the flashbang. It's the freeze ray again, but did it do anything? Now you're dead. You know, maybe my brain is just confused or something, because if I pulled out the riot shield, I'm 99% sure I would not be dead right there. So, yeah, I guess that's why we gotta pull it out now. Yeah. Let's just get a far... Yo, did you just go down here, buddy? Buddy, I'm right here, I'm right here. Yo, you don't need to worry, bro. Dude, I need him to go up here. Go up here, yes! And now you're off. Whoa! This game, bro, it's just so... Get out. Yo, I'm not sure you want to do that. Yo, why are you doing that, bro? Bing! Oh, that did not work. Yo, what's up, bro? Oh, he fell. Oh, bye-bye. This guy will die. He's invincible. Dude, I swear, dude, this guy won't. Bro, I swear this guy just won't die, dude. No matter what I do. Bing! Are you serious right now? What? What? Bink. Alright, he's off. Bye-bye! Oh, this guy, man. He was unkillable for a second, bro. This guy was the most unkillable person I've ever seen. So he's gonna think he's setting me up into a trap, bro. He's just setting himself into a trap. What did you do? I didn't know the bullet drop was that much, bro. Oh my goodness, bro. Now he's just gonna run around the entire map. Woo! He turned around last second. Yo, did you know both isn't, you know, katana? This isn't like katana, alright? Woo! Alright, he's off. This is no saving you, buddy. You're dead, and I'm coming with you. Well, I guess the game didn't want to save me that time. He said spammer. What am I even spamming? I'm just holding the riot shield out. Let's not talk about that, alright? Let's not talk about that. We laughed a little bit, we're not laughing anymore. That's not funny. This guy was still laughing at me, bro? No, that's not me. Hello, how was your day? Yeah, I'll just do that. And then you're off into the map. Well, you're dead anyway. I just got a little bit hyped from ending that 20 win streak, bro. Wait, hold on, bro. This guy's gonna be so lost. Let's do that. Oh, he has a shotgun. That's not good. You're still off. What? He almost saved himself. He went over there, but then he just went, you know what? I'm gonna go into the void. You're so bad, little man. Bro, can you shoot a bullet? No, I cannot. Yo, this guy's so mad. What's up, bro? I don't think that's gonna work. I'm sorry. I'm sorry to disappoint you. I'm sorry to... never mind. That is gonna work. Bro, the riot shield be tweaking, I swear, bro. This thing isn't, like, doing what it's supposed to, bro. It's not protecting me. It's protecting him. Oh, yeah, you're dead. Maybe not. Maybe, yeah. Yep. Oh, you were so close! Look how short you were. Oh, just a bit, bro. Just by an inch. But, yeah, I guess that's, GG's for you, buddy. So now we're gonna go into the third match, and, yeah. It's a loadout that I personally love. Alright, guys, this is the third loadout that I personally love. It also has... Oh, so he's using it too. Oh, what a nice thing. No, but I'm just a better one. Alright, you know, let's end you. Never mind, let's end myself as well. Yo, chill, bro. Bing! Oh no. He doesn't like me that much. Okay, I get you. I get it, bro. Stop. Okay, stop shooting me! 70. Yeah. Yeah. Bro's not using the riot shield enough. Bro's just switching to his weapons like this. And then he's like having the riot shield for 2 seconds. Boom. We're back from no riot shields. Alright, let's see where he is. Oh, right there. Okay, so you want to shoot them in the head a couple of times like that? I mean, if you can. Hello, bro? Why are you AFK? It's not time to be rage quitting right now. You have a 5 win streak. You gotta focus up right now, buddy. You gotta focus up. Come on, focus up. You have a 5 win streak. You don't want to be losing 5-0. Come on. You're gonna be losing, but at least don't lose 5-0. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. Shoot them a couple of times like that. And then, yeah, they're gonna be absolutely clueless. Look at this guy, level 202 on mobile. Absolutely clueless. Yo. He just left! Yo, dude. Why did this guy leave, man? We were having such a good time, dude. Oh. Well, you guys basically get what I'm doing. You know, the daggers, if it's not enough to kill him with the burst, then just use the daggers. And yeah, if this helped, guys, then make sure to drop a like and subscribe, because this is basically free wins. The riot shield ends at 20, a 5. It can end any win streak, just need to use it correctly, like I did. So yeah, guys, if you learned a thing or two, gained 2 brain cells, lost 2 brain cells, make sure to drop a like and subscribe, because I'm Mark, and I'm out. Peace.